If you want to create faceless videos that go viral, I found a special tool that seems to be working for almost every single person who tries it. And I'm going to show you everything that you will want to know and how to do this. I'm also going to leave a special discounted link in the description if you want to try out this tool. Now, if we head over to YouTube, there are channels being created basically overnight that are getting millions of views, subscribers. This channel's first video got 134 million views. And if we just open this up, each one of these clips that you can see in this video is 100% AI generated. This channel has 3.3 million subscribers and each video is getting over 500,000 views. In fact, the typical view is over 1 million views per video. And again, this channel was created using AI. Typically, if you create channels like this, you won't earn a lot of money from it because one short form video is not designed to make you lots of money. And these niches of short form videos are not very profitable to begin with. But if you can merge into niches like finance or interesting topics that motivate people to take action, these can make a killing just by using the viral traffic from those videos and pointing them offer. I have an entire community where I show people how to create profitable offers and make more sales online. I'll leave a link in the description to my community and I'll also leave a link to this tool. Now, the tool that we're going to be using today is called Mootion or Motion. This will turn your plain English ideas into short form. The first thing we're going to do is enter a description, like the sleepy tiger that fell asleep in a snake pit. We can filter the different templates that Mootion offers. I'm going to go ahead and do social media and then click on faceless short videos. We can choose what style English we want, the tone, and I'm going to do children's. And we can even select an avatar if we wanted to. We then select the format, and if you're doing short form video, you want it to be 9:16, which is the vertical format. You'll then go ahead and choose what sort of style you want the video to be in, and I'm going to do clay art. Once you've figured out all of your settings, you can go to the top right, select the drop down and say if you want to generate a storyboard or create a script first. But I want to show you how easy this is, so we're just going to generate. The tool is now going scene by scene and creating a story we can potentially edit if we don't see it fit. Each scene is generated based on this storyline, and we can click on each scene. If we want to change one of the scenes, all we need to do is click on the scene, click regenerate, animate, or replace, and it will replace everything. We'll then go ahead and do next. We can add in our own captions, and we can add in different scene effects. So I'll just leave the Ken Burns in, scene transactions, and even change the different voices. You can customize all of these scenes, transitions, and special effects in this area. And you can even add in music, which is AI generated, so you don't need to worry about copyright. Now the video is being generated, plus you can also use the summary, hashtags, and the script included in your YouTube or TikTok video. The video is now finished, and that took around about 60 seconds for it to complete. So let's go ahead and watch.
His snores were loud and scary to the snakes. One snake bravely slithered close to Tim. It whispered softly, hoping not to wake.
Now, with a little bit of work, you could actually make these really well. And then if you added the additional animation option, each scene could really come to life. Now, Mootion also has two other AI tools, is the image background editor and the image style transfer. Although nice little add-ons, I don't really think they're relevant to include in this training. If we move over to the gallery area, this is where you can see examples of other work, styles utilized for inspiration and to help you brainstorm everything. Using a tool like Mootion allows you to quickly get to market. The moment you have an idea or you've seen something kicking off on social media, you'll want to take that idea, modify it slightly, put it into this tool and start creating the videos. Because the chances are, if you see a hot niche that's currently taking off, you can capture that traffic and then start directing all of that traffic to wherever it is you want your audiences to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.